Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete a folder in Dropbox. So let's get started. Go to the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, locate the folder you want to delete. Click on the folder to select it. Look for the delete button or the option in the menu. It might appear in the toolbar or when you right-click on the folder. Click on Delete to remove the selected folder from your Dropbox account. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.